Let's have a look at the smart clamps as fitted to all of the Gardiner Pole System's telescopic pole range. This is an SLX 18 with them fitted, but they're the same clamps on all of the poles. So let's have a look at that in a bit of detail. If we have a look at, first of all, the most obvious part, the lever, you can see that this has been designed very ergonomically. It falls very easily under thumb, operates simply, and can be used by either left or right-handed operators. One of the reasons that this works so smoothly is because we have fitted here a nylon shim. That's made of Delrin, which is a very hard self-lubricating nylon, and that helps the action to remain consistent through the life of the pole. Those shims can be replaced every 6 to 12 months to make the clamps as easy to operate as possible. Another feature of the clamps is inside there's a patented mechanism which allows the clamps to self-adjust to a degree. And this means that you can replicate the easy action of a new pole on a well-worn pole. Often poles will start to wear in different places depending on the wear level, and as long as these clamps are adjusted correctly, they will clamp tightly on a worn section as easily as they will clamp on an unworn section. We would recommend that when you first get your pole, you follow the video guide to set these clamps up correctly, and then every week or so, make sure that the clamps are adjusted so that you minimize wear on the system. That's the Gardiner Smart Clamps to get the best possible life from your telescopic pole. If we look at the top of the pole, we can see the smart clamp. The top smart clamp is also used to clamp the gooseneck in place. This is a quick release gooseneck, so you open the clamp and the gooseneck will pull off very easily. It allows you to quickly change goosenecks from our range and modify them, and then it pushes back in and clamps into position. That's the Gardiner Smart Clamps as featured on all of our poles.